I'm a construction worker, and I was struck and hit by an excavator bucket one day on the job, and I did a tumble into a 5-foot deep ditch, and then the bucket rolled in on top of me, and as a result of that I ended up with 2 knee surgeries and a permanent back injury. I was talking to my neighbor about this incident that occurred to me, and she recommended Fellows Hymowitz as a law firm to represent me. And after careful consideration and interviewing several different other law firms, I felt the most confident and comfortable with Fellows Hymowitz. I called Steve on the phone, and he took the time to listen to me and answer any questions I had, and I felt that at the end of our conversation, he was the lawyer that I wanted to use, that I felt the most comfortable with, and hopefully was going to get me the just compensation that I was due. Any questions that came up throughout the whole course of time, I was always answered in a timely manner by his staff, or Steve's personal cell phone number was given out to me. There was always a contact person available to answer any questions or issues that arose. Working with Fellows Hymowitz was great because there was no out-of-pocket expenses occurred by me or my family, and the only time they got paid was in the end when I got paid, and that was the great part of it. Right from the beginning, Steve gave me a timeline of how long this case would take, and he was exactly right. And over that time frame, I've kind of built like a personal relationship with him and his staff, and I would always recommend him to anybody else because that was the right move to make on my part. If a friend, family, or coworker ever needed an attorney, I would highly recommend Fellows Hymowitz. It was the best decision I ever made, and if it ever happened again, I would definitely use Fellows and Hymowitz.